Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the Conga 990 wheel guarantee. In this video, we will take you through each step, ensuring you have the right tools and knowledge to get the job done effectively. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a torque wrench, rubber gloves, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Make sure to have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the process. Start by turning off the device and disconnecting it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Once that's done, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the Conga 990. Keep these screws in a small container to prevent misplacement. After removing the back panel, gently lift it away to expose the internal components. Here, you will see the wheel mechanism. It's important to inspect the condition of the wheel and its connectors. If you notice any wear or damage, this could be the reason for your issues. Next, we will clean the internal components. Use the can of compressed air to blow away any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This step is vital for maintaining the functionality of your device. If you feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's focus on the wheel. If it's not spinning properly, check the screws that hold the wheel in place. Sometimes, they can become loose over time. If they are, use the torque wrench to tighten them back to the manufacturer's specifications. If you find that the wheel is damaged and needs replacement, don't worry. You can easily find a replacement part online or through your local supplier. If you prefer, we can assist you with our pickup and delivery at your home service, making the repair process easier for you. Once you have replaced or repaired the wheel, it's time to reassemble the device. Carefully place the back panel onto the body of the Conga 990, aligning the screws with their respective holes. Secure the panel by tightening the screws with the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure everything is snug, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. After reassembly, it's essential to test the device. Plug it back in and turn it on. Observe the wheel's functionality for a minute to ensure everything is operating as it should. If you encounter any issues during testing, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know what to expect. Finally, if everything is working correctly, congratulations! You have successfully repaired your Conga 990. Regular maintenance, including cleaning and checking the screws, can prolong the life of your device. If you ever find yourself needing assistance, just remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to help with our convenient services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.